How to convert PDF to Word. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Click File, then select Open and choose the PDF file you want to convert. Word will show a message saying that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK to continue. Wait a few seconds while Word processes the file. Your PDF will now open as an editable Word document. Next, check the formatting, because some images, tables, fonts, or page layouts may change during the conversion. Once everything looks correct, click File, then Save As. Choose Word Document, .docx, as the file format, and click Save. If your PDF is scanned or contains images instead of selectable text, you'll need OCR software to convert the content into editable text. And that's how to convert a PDF to Word. For more Microsoft Word and PDF tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.